welcome back to another video. So we're going to get my nails did today. Do any of you remember these dual forms that I got? I think it was my last AliExpress haul that I did. I ordered the wrong ones. I thought they were flat, but they've not. They've turned up with a great big C curve. But I said I'll still give them a go. So I'm going to give them a try today. So when you pick your sizes out of dual forms, always pick one size up. You don't want them to fit snug to your nail. You want enough room for the product to fit inside there as well. So I'm using these 2 Big Glam Polygels. Oh my gosh, I love these colours. So there's kind of a shimmer, a glitter and 2 plain colours. And I'm using the textured hex glitters from Charlie's. And I've pulled out this polygel. It's actually a cat eye polygel. I think it's Model 1's actually. So straight into it, my nails are all prepped, ready to go. So I'm just buffing that shiny surface off. And I'm going to go straight in with the base coat. I'm using everything out the kit. So this is the 2 Big Glam base coat. Nice thin, even coat. And I'm going to stick them in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I'm going to start with the pinky. And I'm just putting a little bit of this cat eye. It's very runny. Polygel cat eyes are quite thin because obviously the metal, the particles need to move around in there when you put the magnet over it. So I'm just doing a thin layer at the tip and I'm just using my magnet. Just hold it in place till you see all them particles moving around. And I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds and I'm just going to leave that to one side. And go straight on to the next nail. Isn't that smart? I've never used a cat eye polygel actually. So straight onto my ring finger now. I'm putting the base coat in this one. And I've not cured that base coat. I'm just going to put a little sprinkle of the lilac and the silver just around the centre. Yeah, just a really sparse little sprinkle around the centre. That's going to go in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. So now that glitter's cured, I'm going in with the cat eye. On the pinky, I pulled the cat eye about 3/4 of the way up the nail. This one, I want to add some glitter polygel to the middle. So I'm just doing the tip of this one with the cat eye. And I'm going to stick that in the lamp so I can then use the glitter polygel for the middle part of what's going to be the middle part of the nail. So I'm going to stick that in the lamp now. I'm just giving these a 30-second cure. They'll get a full cure once they're on my nails. So now I'm going in with, this one's called Pretty Much. It is a beautiful polygel. It's really nice. Make sure you get the polygel right up the sides of that dual form or else you'll have gaps missing. So again, I'm leaving a little gap at the top because obviously I need to use polygel to attach these to my nails. So that's going to go off to the side now after it's been cured. And that's them, the pinky and the ring finger out the lamp, so they're going to get put to the side. And this middle one is, I've already put glitter in it, and this is just going to be a full nail really of this one. This one's called You're My Queen. Got a beautiful shimmer in it, this one. So I'm filling the form with this one, but again leaving a gap at the top so I can attach it to my nail in a minute. I'll do the last 2 off camera because yeah, they're just going to be the same as the last 2 nails that I did. So that's going to get a quick 30-second cure. Now we're going to get these put on my nails. So this is back to the pinky. And I'm using that beautiful shimmery one. This is the part I'm going to use to attach to my nail. So keep it as thin as you can at the cuticle area. Not too thin. You need enough product to stick it to your nail. Make sure you get it up the sides. And then I'm just going to pat and pull that down the rest of the nail. And just blend it in a bit. So with dual forms, with all dual forms really, just place it gently onto your nail and press it down. You don't need to press too hard. Just press it down till you feel that it's, you can feel it when it's fully attached. And if any squeezes out, just get a brush with a bit of alcohol and just wipe it away. Make sure it's straight and not touching. You don't want it touching your cuticle. And once you're happy with it, stick that in the lamp then for 60 seconds. So that's that first one done, nice and quick, nice and easy. So I'm just going to show you doing a couple more. And then I'll come back to you when they're all done. So can you see why I left a gap at the top of all these? So that it's left room to attach them to my nails. So I'll let you watch and I'll be back in a sec. Right guys, that is them all on, so we just need to get them popped off now. Just twist them side to side and they'll pop off. Sorry if this video was a bit all over the place at the beginning, and it's because I was going back and forth with different colours and curing them in between. But you get the gist. You can plonk whatever you want in these dual forms. As long as you leave a gap at the top to attach them, yeah, you can plonk whatever you want in there. So that is them all on. I really like them. I really like how these turned out with that cat eye. So I'm just going to wipe all the tacky layer off and file them. With most dual forms, you end up with a little lip around the cuticle area, don't you? Oh my gosh, guys, look what happened. I'm snipping them down because they're far too long. And they all snipped down perfectly. But then, look what happened on my thumb. I snipped it and it snapped it. It snapped it. So I had to file this thumb right down and I was really not happy with it. Look, big chunk off the corner. So I ended up having to file that right down short. Really pissed me off, that did. It turned out not too short actually, it wasn't that bad. So back to the filing. Yeah, you get a little lip around the cuticle area. Just file that little lip off and blend it in. And then I'm going to go over them with a buffer. And that is it for shaping. There really is none. Absolutely brilliant. Very beginner friendly. I really like the shape of these. I'm just not too keen on that, you know, really strong C curve. But I did like the shape in the end. So that's where we're at so far, guys. I do like the shape, I really do. I'm just not too keen on that C curve, it's huge. So I forgot to press record on the first nail, so I'll show you doing another nail. I'm just going to whack some gems on now. I'm using really nice pale pink ones. And then I've got these, like, they're not black, they're more of a charcoal. I thought it went perfect with that cat eye polygel. And then I'm going to put little caviar beads in between all these gems. I'll only show you a couple because they're pesky. I'm going to cure them gems into place and then we'll get them top coated. To say I'm not a gem person, that is a lot of gems. I didn't put any on my thumb because I was pissed off with it. So we'll get these top coated now and that'll be then finished. There we go guys, that is then finished. I really like them. I wasn't so sure of the cat eye polygel with the black that came out of it when I put the magnet on. But I love them. I love how they turned out. I really do. Look at that holographic polygel on that ring finger. Isn't it beautiful? I absolutely love that. Anyway guys, that is it for today. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit your notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.